everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A weather alert has been issued across the parts of the southern France as powerful winds are set to intensify over the next 24 hours. Authorities have placed several regions under the yellow alert, warning of the potentially dangerous gusts reaching up to 110 kilometers per hour. The most affected areas include Dalhousie and the Lauragais regions, where the strong southerly winds, known locally as the autumn winds, are expected to peak between this evening and tomorrow afternoon. These winds are being driven by the clash between the low pressure system off the Portuguese coast and high pressure over the northern Italy. Gusts are exposed areas could exceed 110 kilometers per hour, raising concerns about falling trees, especially after the season of the heavy rainfall that has left the ground saturated. The strongest winds are expected overnight into the Thursday morning before gradually easing by late afternoon. By Friday, conditions are likely to calm down significantly, with the winds dropping to around 50 kilometers per hour. Elsewhere in the country, while the conditions won't be as severe, a chilly easterly wind will still be noticeable, with the gust between 50 and 60 kilometers per hour, making temperatures feel cooler than they actually are. In short, while the spring has made a brief appearance, France is now bracing for a burst of turbulent weather, reminding residents that the season can still be full of surprises. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.